Why should you tape your mouth at night? You breathe over 20,000 times a day, but if you're doing it wrong while you sleep, you're ruining your recovery and energy levels. Most people mouth breathe at night, and that causes dry mouth, snoring, low oxygen and even anxiety. Here's the weird fix: mouth taping. Just a small piece of skin-safe tape before bed forces you to breathe through your nose, which increases oxygen, improves sleep, and balances CO2 levels. You will wake up more refreshed, focused and calm. Breathe less, live more, through your nose.